Okay, so here we have the jaw harp. I am a beginner and I will teach you guys what I know, but it's not much. So we'll go from there. To hold the jaw harp, you're gonna use your middle finger and your thumb at the bottom, and then your index finger up on the top. And as far as the mouth placement goes, so if these are my teeth, I'll show you with my fingers. If these are my teeth, you're gonna not bite on top of the jaw harp, but lightly press the jaw harp against your teeth, leaving a little bit of a gap so that the rod can flick back and forth to produce the sound. And then with different manipulations of your lips, your tongue, your mouth, and your throat, you produce different sounds. So I've been watching a couple YouTube videos and I've been practicing for like 10 minutes. I'll show you what I've learned so far, but again, by no means an expert, so here we go. So that was not great. So you can kind of hear the rod hitting my teeth a couple times, which got to be careful with, and we'll keep practicing that. But there's also a couple different flicking techniques you can use. You saw I was doing I was using my thumb back and forth a little bit, and then I was using my index finger, just kind of getting that backwards motion. But yeah, those are the techniques that I've practiced. And again, very, very beginner. So maybe I'll post another video in a month or so and kind of show my progress on that. But so the jaw harp that I do have here, I think was about $20 on Amazon, and I'll put an affiliate link in the description if you guys want to check that out. But it was kind of a mid-range price from what I saw in there. There were some cheaper ones, there were some more expensive ones, but as far as a mid-range one goes, I think this is kind of your best bet. And I did expect it to be a little louder, but I think that will come with time and practice, and you know, getting to learn how to manipulate the jaw harp, and you know, how to best use my mouth and tongue to produce a louder sound. But so yeah, have fun, check it out, practice, post a video, and leave a link to it in the comments if you do, so I can learn from you guys too. So have fun, good luck.